Hi, I'm Dr. John Neustadt, and welcome back to my kitchen. A couple of months ago, I did a Facebook Live video about a breakfast dish that I make, and it has been one of the most popular videos, and repeatedly people have come back and requested I do more videos about food. How can people start their day out right? How can they give both the nutrition to their body that's healthy and well-rounded, but also keeps them feeling full well into the day? So here's another idea for you for breakfast. And this is what I do personally. This is what I do for my smoothies. Once you get it down, it might take a little while to, a couple of times to get the ingredients together, to have them in the house and ready. But once you have everything, this is 5 minutes. It takes me 5 minutes in the morning to make this. And it is jam-packed with nutrients. So what I'm gonna use today is a NutriBullet. Some people use Ninjas, that's fine. You just want a really good blender that can pulverize whole foods in there. And what I have for the base is almond milk. I typically don't measure things out this precisely, especially with the liquid, but because I'm helping you understand how you can do this, I'm gonna give you some precise measurements. And then as you experiment and do this more and more, tweak it how you want. Get the consistency how you want, get the flavor how you want, add some different ingredients, whole foods that you love. It's a great way to start your day. So 2 cups of unsweetened vanilla almond milk is what I use, and I pour it right in the container. Then I've got half of an avocado, and this half of an avocado is jam-packed, let me grab a spoon here, jam-packed with healthy fats, monounsaturated, polyunsaturated fats. And fats are crucial, healthy fats are crucial for the body. They're important for the nervous system, they're important for creating cellular energy. You just have to have the right kinds of fats. Plus, fats will help you feel fuller longer. So I take half of an avocado and I just scoop it in the container. Now, if you have the other half of the avocado, one tip, to store it, this storage container, get a towel here, this storage container is phenomenal. It's sort of avocado shaped, and you can just put it in there, put the other half of the avocado, store it in your refrigerator, and use it the next day or for something else. And then what I also have is some, this is ginger root, organic ginger root. Put a piece in if you like, put as much as you like. It can be a little spicy if you put too much in, but ginger is an incredible anti-inflammatory, has great nutrients in it. Then I have some fresh turmeric root, this beautiful orange color, rich in phytonutrients, also anti-inflammatory, very good for cardiovascular health and joint health. You can find it in health food stores, and you can probably order it on the internet now. You can get just about anything on the internet. I like to put some of that in, so feel free to put some of that in or not. Because I'm going to be using so many healthy ingredients, the combination of all of them, whether you leave 1 or 2 out or you add a couple of different ones to your taste and liking, is still going to be packed full of nutrients and do the trick for your body. And then what I've got in here is, today I'm going to be using whey protein powder. You want a protein powder that gives about 15 to 20 grams of protein a day. I'll go back and forth between hemp protein and whey protein, but today there's a whey protein powder, and I'm just gonna dump it in there. This is a serving of the whey protein powder. I also have some beautiful, if you can see that gorgeous color, that is spirulina. It's a blue-green algae, and also you can get it on the internet or get it in health food stores. Really rich in nutrients, rich in actually protein, rich in B vitamins, copper, minerals like magnesium. And then I've got barley grass, another amazing source of magnesium, great source of iron. Anything that's green is going to have a lot of magnesium in it. The way that plants create their energy, they turn sunlight into energy, is through photosynthesis. The molecule that is instrumental in that actually captures the sunlight initially, is chlorophyll. Every molecule of chlorophyll has an atom of magnesium in the middle of it. And therefore, anything that's green, barley green, spirulina, spinach that I'm going to put in, is going to be really a great sources of magnesium. And over half of the US population actually doesn't even get the minimum recommended daily amount of magnesium through their diet. So getting some additional magnesium through an excellent smoothie, improving your diet, or with dietary supplements is really important. Now I'm putting in here some dulse. A serving of the dulse with this product is 3 tablespoons. Dulse is a type of seaweed, which is really rich in iodine. And iodine is important for thyroid function. Also rich in minerals and other vitamins. Now again, if you don't want to start out with all of this, just pick 1 or 2 up. Get the base of the liquid in there. Get some greens such as some spinach, which I love to use, whole spinach in there. Get the protein powder in there. And lastly, we're going to get some fruit in there, both for flavor, and also you want different colors in your smoothie because the different colors have different vitamins and minerals and nutritional profiles. So just to get a real well-rounded shot of nutrients in the morning, you want some different colors. So I'm using some fresh organic strawberries this morning. I'm actually going to put about 7 in there. But you can use frozen strawberries, you can use frozen or fresh. Blueberries, sometimes I'll peel and put a whole lemon in there. It really depends on you. But realize if you're gonna be using frozen berries, because of the ice in there and the water content, it's gonna thicken up the smoothie, so you may need to adjust the other ingredients and maybe use some more liquid in there, some more almond milk, for example, to get it the consistency that you like. And then what I do, I just tighten the lid real tight and give it a good shake and pop it on there and spin it. Now it's really loud, so I'm not gonna do it now, but what I did before I came on is I made the morning smoothie. Exactly what's in here. And it's rich and green and full of nutrients, full of healthy fat. The fiber in there from the fruit and the spinach and the spirulina and the barley greens and the dulse, all that good fiber and the good fat is gonna slow down how fast the nutrients gets absorbed into your body. So it'll keep you feeling full longer, and the vitamins and the minerals combined with those fibers, combined with that good fat, is gonna give you sustained energy and alertness all morning long. And for me, this keeps me full all the way until lunch. So give this a try, experiment, have fun with it. More than anything, have fun with it. But when you get it down, it's 5 minutes and I'm out the door. And if I'm on the run, at least my NutriBullet here comes with a little travel lid. I just pop that on, and it's got a pop top on it so I can, don't worry about spilling it, and bottoms up. I love it, delicious. I hope you love it too. I'm gonna post an article below on in the comment section on the importance of healthy diet and why it's so important to do things like this and have healthy breakfasts. And have a great day. Go over to nbihealth.com for more resources. And if you haven't, sign up for the newsletter. The next newsletter that comes out is going to have this recipe that I just did in it for you and some helpful tips for tweaking it or making it your own. And every time the newsletter comes out, there's health tips and information to help you and your family improve your health. That's at nbihealth.com. Have a great day, and I'll see you here next week. Enjoy your smoothie. Bye.